that a massive earthquake struck Myanmar yesterday around afternoon time. We all are aware of the kind of destruction that it has left. Massive loss of life and property has been reported. Soon after the tragedy struck Myanmar, our Prime Minister conveyed his concerns and expressed that India was ready to provide all support, all possible support to Myanmar, to the people of Myanmar and the government of Myanmar in this hour of crisis. India, as you are aware, we have been actively playing the role of first responder in such situations during natural disasters, natural calamities. You would also recall that last year when Cyclone Yagi had struck Myanmar, we had responded with assistance to the government and people of Myanmar. Today, Prime Minister spoke to Senior General Min Aung Hlaing. He conveyed deepest condolences on behalf of the people and the government of India for the loss of lives, precious lives. He also conveyed that we stand in solidarity with the government and people of Myanmar, and we would do our best to provide relief, rescue, and whatever assistance required to deal with this calamity. Today, early hours of today, that is, we launched Operation Brahma. Brahma, as you know, is a god of creation. At a time when we are extending a helping hand to the government of Myanmar, to the people of Myanmar, to rebuild their country in the wake of the devastation, this particular name of the operation has a special resonance, a special meaning. The first aircraft carrying 15 tons of relief material took off at around 3 a.m. this morning from Hindon Air Force Base. It reached Yangon at around 8 a.m. India time. Our ambassador was there to receive the relief material, and thereafter he handed it over to the Chief Minister of Yangon, and from there these 15 tons of relief material have been sent out to those parts of country which need help. These 15 tons of material comprise tents, blankets, essential medicines, tarpaulin, sleeping bags, gensets, solar lamps, food packets, kitchen sets, etc. Also essential medicines. Thereafter, 2 aircraft with search and rescue personnel and equipment along with canines have left. One of them have left, I understand, and the other one is in the process of leaving for Napitao. I will subsequently request our colleague to give you a little more details of what these 2 aircraft, what essential commodities they are taking for the people of Myanmar.